Located at the 22-mile marker in Osage Beach, this is the Breakwater Bay condo complex, where you can wake up to views like this every single day. I'm Levi Senek with the Jason Whittle All-Pro team, and this is my newest listing, Unit 705. Come on inside and let me show you around. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath lakefront condo has everything you need, from the updated kitchen with new countertops and modern appliances to LVP flooring throughout the main living areas, as well as a large deck with incredible main channel views. Measuring at just under 1,000 square feet and offering a plethora of outdoor amenities, this unit is perfect for year-round living or just a weekend getaway. Thanks for checking out my latest listing. If you're interested in more information, visit our website at jasonwhittle.com or call the office at 1-800-836-2005.